An ideal smart tablet should be easy to bring around. It should also be flexible, able to balance work and entertainment. With so many options available these days, how do we manage to find the device or tablet for it all? What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and today we have the new Huawei MatePad 12X. We're here to give a quick rundown of the best features from the tablet, and one thing's for sure, it's a compelling option for power users. So with that said, let's dive right in. The first thing that came to mind when holding the tablet was how thin and light it was. It's 5.9 millimeters thin and weighs only half a kilogram, or approximately 555 grams. Taking a closer look, it also features some slight curves all around, which should help lessen the fatigue users might feel when holding the tablet. It makes this iteration of the MatePad easier to carry around. This includes either hand carrying or even lugging it around in your backpack. We highly appreciate how portable it is despite the tablet's larger form factor. For reference, it's a device that spans 12 inches based off its namesake, but since it's on the leaner side, users can stay mobile without sacrificing comfort at all. Moving on, the MatePad 12X has an all-metal unibody design. It not only improves durability, but also betters how the antenna performs to make for better connectivity. Additionally, the tablet is fitted with an industry-first pearlescent finish, mixed with some natural mica powder. Kinda just like my car. This makes the rear of the device a bit warmer when you touch it. And no, it's not because the device is overheating. It brings a nice texture and heat that stands out from the cold feeling you would otherwise get from touching bare metal casings or housings. Well, you know, it's a preference thing and to each their own. Our review model gets a pop in color in the greenery variant. Notably, this is the sole offering for the Philippine market, and we do like it overall. For reference, other markets have another option available in white. Either way, the MatePad 12X generally sports a minimalist design that bridges function and form nicely. Now, let's move over to display. Full disclosure, this is probably the best feature yet. The MatePad 12X has Huawei's patented PaperMatte screen. In detail, it's a 12-inch IPS LCD panel that offers a high resolution and refresh rate that caps at 144 Hz. The screen gets an anti-glare coating on top of its PaperMatte Display technology, taking away any possible issues when using the device outdoors or in highly reflective studio environments like ours. This is complemented further by 1,000 nits of peak brightness to help you get an optimal viewing experience. For reference, it's rated brighter than the latest iPad Air iteration. We were able to use the tablet for streaming videos on YouTube and Netflix. It supports 4K streaming on the former, but only supports up to Full HD on Netflix with Widevine Level 1. And for audio, it did not disappoint either. The device has dual stereo speakers that offer a nice soundstage. The highs and mids are quite loud and clear, but what surprised us the most was the bass output. This made for enjoyable media consumption experiences that range from watching Arcane on Netflix to streaming music online. It was surprisingly a lot more immersive than we thought, even without wireless earbuds or Bluetooth speakers. We also have to give a nod to the exquisitely thin bezels around the display. All in all, the specs in combination with the hardware make this one of the best IPS LCD panel and stereo speaker combos we've ever come across considering its price, which we'll unpack later in the video. Aside from its solid entertainment features, the MatePad 12X is also a cut above in terms of convenience. Setting it up in laptop mode is so easy that it's basically plug and play. Even its accessories, including the keyboard and 3rd generation Huawei M Pencil, can be set up seamlessly. This hat trick is because of Huawei's proprietary NearLink technology. It enables fast and reliable connections just by snapping the accessories to the tablet. From here, it recognizes them just like that. TLDR, the NearLink tech adds another layer of convenience that makes setting up for laptop mode as easy as possible. It doesn't end there though, as the convenience it brings extends to its software and interface. The MatePad has a multi-window feature to help users stay productive. From experience, we managed to set up the Huawei Notes app and a browser in split windows. We also had a YouTube video playing in a smaller pop-up window, which was pretty sweet. Users get the option to write with the stylus, all while multitasking between different programs. Palm rejection is highly appreciated here as well. It does wonders in case of accidental touches while utilizing the M Pencil. And if users need to work on a ton of documents and presentations, then we're happy to report that the tablet comes with PC-level WPS Office. This is a suite of apps similar to the Microsoft Office without the burden of a subscription. Yes, you heard us right. The productivity app bundle comes as a freebie with the Huawei MatePad 12X. Speaking of freebies, the bundled keyboard also offers a comfortable typing experience. The keys have great spacing that helps with key travel with no issues on our end for tasks at hand. And if these weren't impressive enough, there's also the Go Paint app, which is essentially a free Procreate. No other brands offer an app like this, offering a handful of realistic preset brushes and textures. As for your weapon of choice, you get the aforementioned M Pencil, which supports over 10,000 levels of pressure sensitivity to give users even more control over their freehand lines when drawing. Overall, creative users will find something made for them with the Huawei MatePad 12X. It certainly passes our seal of approval in that regard. And speaking of creatives, Huawei is holding their very own Go Paint Worldwide Creating Activity event since September 19 and closing off this December 31, 2024. If you have what it takes to be a modern-day Renaissance master, then this should be the perfect opportunity for you. There's a cash prize of up to $5,000 US with the potential to showcase your art and story to the world. We'll leave the link to that in the description box or pinned in the comments section below, for those of you who are interested. Wrapping up our favorite features from the MatePad is its battery life. It packs a massive 10,100 mAh battery with support for 66 watts of Huawei Supercharge. And in our PC Mark battery testing, it was able to pump out 13 hours and 30 minutes of activity. Compared to an average Windows laptop that gets about 4 hours of runtime, the MatePad 12X certainly has the edge. For charging, the battery can be charged to full in just an hour and 30 minutes, which is wild considering the battery capacity of over 10,000 milliamp hours. Finally, it's time to address the elephant in the room. How much is this tablet going to cost? The Huawei MatePad 12X retails for 37,999 pesos for the sole 8 plus 256GB configuration. This is significantly much more affordable than the competition with a starting price of 46,990 pesos. And that price goes even beyond that budget if you want to go for the same configuration as the Huawei MatePad 12X. Not to mention, the MatePad 12X even comes with freebies worth nearly 20,000 pesos, including the Huawei Glide keyboard, the 3rd generation M Pencil, Huawei's Bluetooth mouse, and the aforementioned PC-level WPS Office suite. So there you have it, folks. From its lightweight design and its stunning PaperMatte display, to its power-packed features for work and play, this tablet is all about leveling up your everyday grind. Whether you're binging your favorite shows and movies, sketching your next masterpiece, or smashing deadlines on the go, the MatePad 12X has your back. Again, the Huawei MatePad 12X sets you back 37,999 pesos, and it's available via Huawei's Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and through the Huawei official website and physical stores nationwide. So, what do you guys think of the Huawei MatePad 12X? Is this your next mobile workstation, or even maybe a PC replacement? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or educational, or if it's helped you make a purchasing decision, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see ya in the next one. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye-bye.